Okay, in a recent interview, Pope Francis criticizes the laws that criminalized homosexuality as unjust, saying God loves all his children and called upon a Catholic bishop to support LGBTQ. And welcome guys to my channel. If you're new here, please do subscribe and share with your fellow beings. So let's try to learn what does the Bible has to say about homosexuality. Okay, let's talk about the specific mention of homosexuality. So it might come as a surprise to many people to discover that there are only few passages in the Bible which directly talk about same-sex relationships. Yet it's uncommon mention where the subject does come up. The Bible has some very important things to say about homosexuality which we do need to understand. Okay, first, Genesis chapter 19, the Sodom has become so associated with homosexual conduct that it's named for many years a byword for it. So the account describes the men of the city attempting to forcibly have sex with two angels visitor to the city, so who appeared in the form of men. Okay, later part of the Old Testament accuses Sodom of a range of sins such as oppression, adultery, lying, criminals, arrogance, and indifference to the poor. Even none of these even mentions homosexual conduct. So therefore, this has led to some people wonder if we have read homosexuality into the Genesis narrative. So when in fact the real issue is social oppression and injustice, but a close look to the text makes it clear that homosexuality in fact was involved. Okay, although the Hebrew word for know, yada, can just mean to get to know someone rather than to know them sexually, it is clear from the crowd's aggression and Lot's shocking attempt at offering them his daughters as an alternative, so that they are looking for much more than just social contact. Hence, what happens next? The angels warns Lot that judgment is impending. So, and I hope you guys like this video. Please do subscribe and share with your fellow beings. So, thank you for watching. Many more episodes are coming up.